Good morning, student. This is Nilanjana Beria, your art teacher. Hope you all are good. And today we will be working on mosaic art. Mosaic art is an artistic technique that uses tiny parts to create a whole new image or object. It can be made up of glass, stones, and other materials which are available at home. But here we are using papers with different shades, scissor, and fevicol, which can be easily available at home and easy to work with. Let's get started. Before starting, you need a rough sketch on which you're going to do the mosaic art. Here I have drawn an horse face. With the background, I'm going to play with blue and light blue color, and on the foreground with the orange, red, yellow, and dark maroon. So just prominent the areas where you want to dark color and lighter, just marking them with the pencil that these are the portions where I want a dark tone. Now wherever you wanted to adjust the triangular shape, you can just place and trim them. If required, you need to arrange them again and again, and maybe some areas where organic shape is there or a little irregular shape is there you need to trim them, because these are the triangle shape and the face shape of the horse is little waved or different, so you need to adjust them again and again. So it's always advisable to try to cut and use smaller pieces of shape, and once the outlining is done, then you can fill up the areas which are blank. So just around the shape of any specific drawing you're taking, maybe a flower, sun, or any random sketches of animal or human figures. So when you're doing some kind of work like mosaic, you need to outline or prominent that drawing and then fill up the areas. Suppose in this particular area I need to cut out that extra part, so I have done that. So just be free to do that. See, on the bottom right corner of the sheet, I just want it to be done with the ultramarine blue, so I'm just outlining and fixing those triangle shape in order to just outline that particular area. So just try to readjust them and reconnect them and then fill up the area. Now the top left corner is left, and I am going to outline the shape of the horse in a little more prominent way and marking those areas with little dark tone. Just took the yellow and orange tone for the face. I have marked few areas, and there I'm going to do and fill those yellow tones, and slowly move to the lower portion or the other part of the horse. You can go with different dark tones for the other portions of the face, maybe a brown for a depth or any black tone. See, here I am using the orange and red. I think that they will look good. See, in this mosaic I have used this triangle. I cut the paper in the triangle shape, so you can go and try different shapes, geometric shapes, or you can use other materials, suppose a old CD where you can cut them and trim them into different shapes and just use it. Maybe you can explore a bit with the tiles also, but for that you need white cement or any other adhesive which will fix it. The surfaces also need to be a little harder, so you can just explore and try. Hope you have understood how to do mosaic art with paper, and just thank you for the pictures which you're sending me. Keep doing it, and thank you.